Okay, so today I'm going to be unboxing Beyblade Random Booster Volume 20, and I really want the prize Bay Curse the Tomb, the new sparking one, because it has the rollers and the universe driver. The universe driver is really what I'm excited about, but I wouldn't be mad if I got Naked Bahamut or Glide. I think that's Glide Hyperion, and so I also asked my friend to pick up my package, and when he got it, to put the stickers on and unbox it for me, so it saves time for this video. So yeah, let's just get right into it, and let me get... Are you kidding me? I was planning to buy more of these to complete the set, but first, right off the bat, I got the prize bay. Yep. Bro. That's insane. So, let's see, let me get the pieces. Let's see the pieces. So it comes with Hurricane, Universe, and if I can pop this chassis out. Wow, the defense driver, or the defense chassis, is really hard to take out. So it comes with, so it comes with the curse ring, the Satomb chip, sparking chip core, the chassis, 1D chassis, Hurricane, and Universe, which, look at this, all free spinning, which is really nice. Oh, hold on. Wow. Alright, so let's put the bay together again. Nice. I still can't believe that I got it first try. I was gonna buy more, but I don't need to. Also, I'm really excited because this is basically my channel's mascot. I named my channel Baydrift because of the gimmick that Satomb has with the driver, the drift, which I really thought was sick. And it seems to be working right now because I'm having trouble to click in the driver. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is put the driver and weight together, and then pinch on this metal piece on the, if I can. Okay, hold on. So put the layers and the weight and the driver together. I got that. Oh wait, not yet. Yeah, okay, I got it, and then put it in the layer, and then twist with on this metal piece right here. It's really hard to, okay, there. But the clicks, they don't seem really thick, or how would you say it, strong or weak, but they're just average. But still, I'm pretty sure the drifting of the bay will prevent it from bursting a lot. So let's do the test spin. I'll get the stadium. Alright, fix this. Alright, so let's do a test launch. Go. Wow, that universe driver just gliding around the stadium. Alright, so I'll probably only do one test battle because I'll be doing dedicated bay battles. But I'll just do / Joker against Curse the Tomb. Go shoot. 2 defense types. Ooh, and a burst. Alright, I will do one more battle with them so I can end off the episode. Alright. Go shoot. Go shoot. Alright. Well, overall, I really love this Bey. But I may be a little biased since it's like the channel's mascot. But, you know, I really love it still. So that concludes this video. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe.